Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda with Naughty Body Boutique. Today we are going to be making another soap from my spring soap collection. Today's soap is a fragrance from Nature's Garden. The name of this soap is Nature's Wonderland. The notes are crisp citrus, spring floral, and then it's also got some musk and woodsy notes in there. It's a very, very clean and fresh smelling fragrance, very airy and light, definitely very spring. So we're going to get started by mixing up our lye water solution in with our melted butters and oils. In the bucket, I've also got some kaolin clay and organic coconut milk powder. We've gotten this just to a light trace, I'm going to pour off into separate containers for our colors. Today's colors are going to be titanium dioxide, laurel green mica, kermit green mica, and 24 karat gold mica from TKB Trading. Alright, now that all of our colors are mixed in, let's get pouring into our mold here. Today's design is just going to be a very simple drop swirl. So we're going to start with the laurel green at the bottom, just enough to cover. Then we'll come in with some white that's thickened up just a little bit. So we're going to kind of just do our best to pour this in. It's very typical for titanium dioxide to thicken up your batter. So you want to try to mix it as little as possible, but that's hard because you've got to use the stick blender to get the white mixed in. Okay, come in with our kermit green. And then our 24 karat gold. Okay, and it looks like we're going to be changing our design here because everything seems to be thickening up. So I'm still going to treat this like a drop swirl, but I'm going to come in afterwards and I'm going to use a chopstick to kind of get our swirls and mix the colors together a little bit better. So we're just going to keep plopping the colors in. And this is what happens when you don't test your fragrance oils. I never do. Okay, come in again with the 24 karat gold. And then do one more round of each color, leaving just a little bit of each for the tops. Okay, so now that we've gotten this smacked down a bit, it's time to take our bamboo stick and get a swirl going in here. Now I'm not actually sure if it was the fragrance oil for this one that caused it to accelerate a little bit, or if it's the fact that I'm having to soap at a little bit of a cooler temperature. The soap supplies have actually been sitting in my office for a couple days now because my whole family's been sick with the flu and strep. Okay, so now it's time to add on the topping. So I'm just going to take and plop this in random spots throughout the soap. Try to get it all over. Makes it a little bit more difficult when you've got the clumps, or not the clumps, but the the thicker batter from the acceleration. Again, I'm not really sure if this was the fragrance oil's fault or if this was my fault for soaping. Typically I do soap at room temperature, which is around 70 degrees, but I forgot this in my windowsill, so it's a little bit cooler. I think I'm at closer to about 60 degrees today, and I don't think I've ever really soaped that cold, so that could definitely be the reason here. Okay, there's our 24 karat gold. We're going to move over to the laurel green. Scrape out all these containers here. And here we go again with our trusty bamboo stick. Swear, can't soap without this. We're just going to kind of do a back and forth on this one. And I'll probably come back in and do some lines going the other direction. Okay guys, here is the finished Nature's Wonderland soap. If you liked this video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more of Naughty Body Soapy Creations, hit the subscribe button down below. I've got a little bit left in the spring collection. I still have the summer collection, fall collection, winter collection, and everything in between. So let me take you in for a closer look here.